Gambling addiction, hidden evils of online play. Online casinos and sports betting may seem harmless to some, but for others, it is tearing their families apart and causing many people to lose. The online casino craze is sweeping across the globe like the hula hoop did in the 50s, but the difference is that the hula hoop did not break up families and make them homeless. Online casinos have made it too easy for people to gain access to casinos. The boom of the online casino has sent the number of people with gambling problems skyrocketing. It used to be you had to get in your car and drive to the nearest casino, but today all you have to do is have a half-decent computer and internet connection. The casinos lure you in with promises of free money, but most people never bother to read the fine print. This supposed free money is not free. Usually before you can make your first withdrawal, you have to wager 10 times the amount you have accepted as free money. This means, if the online casino you are playing it gives you a $100 bonus, you need to bet a $1,000 before you can remove any winnings from your casino account. Another reason the online gambling craze is becoming a problem is that more and more people are becoming antisocial and choosing to play casino games from home on the computer rather than having any person-to-person human contact. Last year, the percentage of people betting on sports and playing casino games grew by almost the same percentage as the number of people who went bankrupt and lost everything they have because of the online gambling. Experts say this is no coincidence, and that this number will grow until the homeless problem in the United States hits an all-time high. One expert was quoted as saying that online casinos bring the temptation right into the home of the problem gambler. A person's home is supposed to be the one place a person should feel safe. The online casinos are like putting a fully stocked bar in the home of an alcoholic. Eventually, looking at it all day and night, the alcoholic will have a drink, and the same will happen to the gambling addict. The only way to fix this problem is for the government to strengthen its online gambling laws and to fully enforce them with the help of the internet providers and credit card companies. Another big problem with online casinos is that in the USA, they are illegal, and the average person still does not know that they are breaking the law. The bottom line is that tens of thousands of people this year will lose their homes, families, and friends from online gambling, with an end result of becoming homeless or requiring state financial services at the expense of the American taxpayer. To cover these charges, the government will have to raise taxes and force millions of Americans to give up more of their hard-earned money to help those who have been affected by this online casino sickness. If you or someone you know suffers from a gambling addiction, it is crucial to their well-being that they get in touch with the proper help as soon as they can. This is the only way to guarantee them the chance of a better tomorrow.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.